The Markhor is known to be the largest wild goat species in the world, with males weighing approximately 110 kilograms, which is around 240 pounds, and growing as high as 6 feet. One of their most notable features is their long and twisted horns, growing over 1.5 meters long. These horns are used by males in one-on-one fights to win the rights of mating. During the season of breeding, they lock horns and powerfully push each other until one male gives up and accepts defeat. The Markhor is known to commonly live in high and rocky mountains all across countries like India, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. They grow in forests at heights of 2,000 to 11,800 feet. These regions are immensely harsh and cold, but the Markhor is perfectly adapted to the environment with the help of uniquely resilient feet for climbing and dense and thick fur to stay warm, even in extreme cold. The mating season is during winter, when the males fight each other by lunging, locking off horns, and attempting to push each other off balance. The gestation period lasts 135 to 170 days and usually results in the birth of one or two kids, and occasionally three. Markhor live in herds, usually numbering 9 animals, composed of adult females and their young. Adult males are largely solitary. They are known to eat plants like grass, shrubs, and leaves. They are remarkable at climbing and can stand on their back legs to reach food high in trees. Females and young goats live in small groups, while males usually stay alone except when it's time to mate. Markhors have faced significant threats due to hunting for their valuable horns and meat. This caused their numbers to fall drastically over time. Fortunately, conservation efforts have helped them slowly recover, but they are still in danger. The main threats now are persistent illegal hunting and the loss of the forests and mountains that are their natural habitats. Markhors, both adult and young, are hunted by predators such as Himalayan lynx, snow leopards, and wolves. In India, the Markhor is a fully protected, Schedule I, species under Jammu and Kashmir's Wildlife Protection Act of 1978. The International Day of the Markhor is a global observance proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly. It is being observed from 24th May 2024. This day recognizes the importance of conservation of Markhor, a species of wild mountain goat, and its natural habitat. We provide animal and bird as well as various other videos just for your entertainment. If you like our videos, then like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for being with us.